solamente en Cristo.
En Cristo, solamente en Él, la salvación se encuentra en Él, no hay otro nombre dado a los hombres.
Vas-y, franchement, mais j'en ai trop marre de ce chat et vraiment, viens, on est bon. S'il te plaît. No! Put the goat down! Drop the goat! Oh my gosh. What is wrong with you? Dude!
Oh, God, I love it, but
Small bite, okay? Small.
Yo, that's a big bite.
Small, Papa, like that. Tiny.
esa.
Mira. Pero muchacho. Toma, pa. Are you kidding me? Boys.
Why are you stealing fries?
Zo, doe de deur ook weer dicht. Goed zo.
Come on,
Yeah, she can't throw that to you yet, buddy.
Get my Lassie. Do it.
Oh my gosh. What did you do? No, I'm not gonna give you belly rubs. Oh my gosh.
What did you do? Why are you a mess? I'm a little nervous. The pancake mix!
Come on, bub. Let's go. Are you kidding me?
I think they posed for the photo. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Having fun.
Keep your paws closed, or you're gonna get off them. Thank you.
Here.
That's my dog, Lady Wilson. She gets her own ice.
No. Mema, attends, mais t'as un truc sur toi là, mais c'est quoi? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Mais je suis choqué. Mais attends, mais je crois que c'est un poulpe.
Good morning, Clarice. How was your night? Did you have a sweet dream?
What's less than an A?
Dai, so. So? Che dito.
Lost horse in the garage, and he likes a wood stove, so Upper Minnesota here, You know where you're at? Where's your mom?
Want to see who's full of soup? Look at her. Soup. She's soup shaped, right?
Dang it, guys. That's not cool.
That's funny though.
Yo, we shouldn't have left that out there. That's a little feller.
He said I've done this before.
Alright, I've got one duck with a macaron and one caboodle.
What's this? What do you have?
Is that for Daddy?
Is this for Daddy?
Okay, you gotta give it to him. It's for him. It's for Daddy.
Drop it.
Oh, good job.
Bud. Thanks, Bud. Thank you.
Dolly, you want some peanuts, sweetheart? Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Come here.
We've just found this 5-week kitten and we've introduced it to Storm, and Storm has now taken it in, and well, this is the first introductory, but I think now she's given her a good clean, saying if you're going to live here, I need to clean you.
He's powerful. He's a good boy. He is our world.
Rappelle-les, on les attache maintenant. Rappelle-les et il va arriver un accident. Elles vont se faire charger, ces connes. Vite.